You asked and I am here to deliver. Today we are going on an updated home tour of the kitchen. We'll look back at what it looked like when we moved in, see some changes we've made over the past couple of years, and see what it looks like now. Let's go. Our new stove is coming in today. This one's really old and only 2 of the burners on top actually work, but you can't fit 2 pans on them. And then there's no seal around the oven door. Ta-da! New stove!
It has 2 stoves.
It has 2 ovens.
This is it. We have 2 ovens, so we can cook 2 things at a time if we're in a rush. Ooh, first check.
Second oven. Do you like it?
Now we got 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Huh? We are going to get a sink off Facebook Marketplace today, and we're driving 30 minutes to go get it. He said we could have it for $150. Oh, we're getting the sink, and we haven't even measured where it's gonna go.
I don't hear anything. That's a good sign.
There used to be a portable dishwasher here, so we got rid of it. We actually put it up on Facebook Marketplace, I think, and someone picked it up for free. Placed it with our little kitchen island here that we had at the old house. Rob also replaced a bunch of our outlets in the kitchen, so we have this new one here, and then we also have a new one over here that doesn't have a plate on it yet. You could see it in the before video, but there was a weird old accordion door that was in this doorway and also in that doorway over there, and Rob's mom took those out. There's still like the track there. It's really nice that there is no accordion door there. So as you can see, there is wallpaper. There's actually wallpaper up on the ceiling. There's actually this beige wallpaper with a blue print on it. And then there's also this reverse wallpaper. So there's the blue with the beige print. We started taking it down up there, and we discovered there were a couple layers of wallpaper underneath. You can see, start removing it. And there's a few layers of wallpaper here. And underneath the white wallpaper are these painted tiles. They do have tons and tons of paint caked on them. So you can see that there's still some wallpaper here. But there are so many layers in this kitchen.